Hello, 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 baby shine, baby shine. What's going on in that hell of a mind? Monkey shines, monkey shines. I still have a daughter, her name's Emily. We used to watch monkey shines when she was a kid. I take her out to the woods because we liked hanging out in nature. And she'd say, Dad, I'm scared. Monkey shines. Monkey shines. I said, girl, it's just a film. Nothing to worry about. I said, we're here to fish. Enjoy yourself. Anyway, this is a song about not California, but Colorado. Well, I set it out on the Greyhound. Set it out to Colorado. Got there, biggest goddamn blizzard ever seen. I said, hey man, why didn't I check out the weather better? Had to set my luggage down. I couldn't carry it, hell, I couldn't even walk down the street. Oh, Colorado. You don't walk down the street like that in Colorado. When I arrived, I was so heartbroken. Girl I loved left me and went there. There was a feeling inside like I just had to be close, even though she didn't want me no more, and I was a fool. But I got there in the middle of the blizzard. I went dropped in the center. Drop in the center. You're lucky enough to never have to be in the drop-in center. Let me tell you a quick story. Used to have a girlfriend. We'd hang out all day. We'd laugh, we'd fuck, kiss all day. But when it was time to go home, don't you know where she took me? Since I didn't have a home of my own, it was a drop-in center for me. How could she say she loved me when I had to sleep at night at the drop-in center? Fuck all you women that didn't care about me and didn't stay. All you did was do me a fucking favor. Monica, Cindy, let's see where you're at a couple years.